Hi, I'm Professor Múcio Porto, plastic surgeon from Brazil. I'm one of the faculty members of the American Academy of Aesthetic Medicine. This is worldwide. This is the most important and the ancient most academy in the world in aesthetic medicine. I'm here to invite you for our knowledge, our teaching programs, and which is divided into 3 levels. If you want to improve your career, your clinic, and you love aesthetic medicine, come here. We have 3 levels, so level 1, level 2, and level 3. Level 1, of course, you begin with the knowledge. Level 2, you improve your knowledge, your skills, and your thoughts and knowledge in general. And level 3, you make us your description of your skills. And if you are approved, you received the wonderful certificate for aesthetic medicine by the American Academy of Aesthetic Medicine. This is the entrance for this wonderful world of aesthetic medicine in any part of the world. So we are here waiting for you for this brand new thing on your life. So come on.